Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn about what a pointer is. So basically, pointer in C are easy and fun to learn. Some C programming tasks are performed more easily with pointers, and other tasks such as dynamic memory allocation cannot be performed without using pointers. So it becomes necessary to learn pointers to become a perfect C programmer. Let's start learning them in simple and easy steps. As you know, every variable has a memory location and every memory location has its address defined, which can be accessed using ampersand operator, which denotes an address in memory. So I am performing an example which prints the address of variable defined. So in order to do that, we need a couple of variables. I'm taking int a, character b. Now I am printing the address of these variables. Address of a %x \n, comma. Here I am taking x because we need to denote the address, so we can't use %d or %c, but later I'll show you the correct data type for it. So and operator, then a. Now I'll just copy this and paste it here. Character b, here also b. So if we run this, this will print the address of variable a and variable b. So this is the address of variable a and this is the address of variable b. Now a pointer is a variable whose value is the address of another value, that is direct address of the memory allocation. Like any variable or constant, you must declare a pointer before using it. To store any variable address, the general form of a pointer variable declaration is, I'll just write it here, star or asterisk, then variable name. So this is the declaration for pointer, the general form of pointer. Here type is the pointer's base type. It must be a valid C data type and variable name is the name of the pointer variable. The asterisk used to declare a pointer is the same asterisk used for multiplication. However, in this statement, the asterisk is used to designate a variable as a pointer. Take a look at some of valid pointers I am declaring now. So int asterisk ip. For double, asterisk dp. For float, asterisk, sorry, float asterisk fp. For character, asterisk asterisk chp. The actual data type of the value of all pointers, whether integer, float, character, or otherwise in the same a long hexadecimal numbers that represents a memory address. The only difference between pointers of different data types is the data type of the variable or constant that the pointer points to. So I hope you understand the basic of pointers. If you have any queries, you can ask me on comment section. That's all for today. Thank you guys for watching. Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel.